How to send camera roll videos as snaps on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, from the left side toolbar, tap on the arrow icon you see there and you will then see the option for green screen. So tap on the green screen option and you can now go ahead and start choosing the picture that you want to send as a snap. So go ahead and scroll through and choose a picture and then tap on the stutter button, and with this the snap will be taken. Now, tap on the send button on the bottom right and then go ahead and look for the individual whom you want to send the snap as a snap and not as a video or photo. Further, tap on send, and with this, if you open the conversation, as you can see, the snap has been sent as a brand new snap and not a picture from your camera roll. So this was about how you can send camera roll snaps as snaps on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.